Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Tony Blackmon here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. I want to talk to the potential home buyers out there who may be wanting to get into real estate as an owner-occupant, meaning just buying your first home to live in it, or to use owner occupancy as a way to get your foot in the door as an investor. The best thing that I can advise for you to do is to sit down with a mortgage banker that you trust. For those of you who don't know, there are tons of programs out there that will allow you to put no money down for your closing costs and your down payment. There are grants out there that will help you cover those costs. If you would like our assistance, give us a call. We'll give you free advice. I myself have personal relationships with local lenders that will get you in the right direction with home ownership and getting you in position to take advantage of that grant money that's being given out for first-time homeowners. So if that's something you might be interested in, give me a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit our website, www.investparamount.com.